Hello, in this video we will talk about lines and circles. Definitions. Let's remember what is the meaning of a circle. A circle is the figure formed by a set of points located at an equal distance from a given point called center. Let's see the figure. It is the circle. And this point here is the center. What is the radius of the circle? It is a segment joining the center with any point on the circle. Let's see. This segment is joining the center with a point on the circle, so it is radius. Now let's remember what is a straight line. It is an unlimited line. It has no end. Look, it is a straight line. We can elongate this line. It has no end. The distance is the perpendicular drawn from a point to a given straight line. If we want to find the distance from the point O to this straight line, we should draw the perpendicular from the point O to the straight line D. So OH is the distance from point O to the straight line D. OH is the distance. Now, let's see the position of a straight line D with respect to a circle. We have three cases. Let's start by the first case. If OH means the distance. If the distance from the center to the straight line is smaller than the radius, so it means D cut C, D intersects C at 2 points, so D is second to C. Let's see the figure. It is a straight line D, and we have the circle C. We have to find the distance from the point O, from the center to the straight line D. If the distance from the center to the straight line D, which is OH, is smaller than the radius, look, it is smaller than the radius. It is OH and it is the radius. In this case, we have 2 points, 2 intersection points. So in this case, we say that D, the line D, the straight line D, is second to the circle C. Let's see the second case. If OH, if the distance from the center to the straight line is equal to the radius, in this case, we have 1 point, 1 intersection point, D cuts C at 1 point, and look, OH, the distance from the center to the straight line, it is equal to the radius. So in this case, we say that D is tangent to C. Now, the last case, if the distance OH, the distance from the center to the straight line is greater than the radius. Let's see how. It is the distance OH. We draw the perpendicular to find the distance from the center to the straight line. It is bigger than the radius. So in this case, the line D does not cut the circle C at any point. So we say that D is exterior to C. Thank you. Goodbye.